How to find blockchain wallet address in Bitget. All right, guys, so finding your blockchain wallet address is pretty easy. To do this, first scroll to the home section, click on Add Funds, and then go ahead and click on Deposit Crypto. A list of cryptocurrencies would show up. These are known as coins, and then just simply select the network or the coin you want to find a blockchain for. So let's say we want to receive something on the Solana network. In order to find a blockchain address, just simply scroll through and select Solana, and you're going to see contract address. We have contract address and deposit address. The contract address here is the blockchain wallet address for this token. So you can use this to add it on a Web3 wallet. Now it's the same thing when you click on the network selector again and simply select TRC20. It would then show up as a contract address for the TRC20. Click on it again and scroll and select something like Arbitrum 1, and it would have its own unique contract address. So that's how you can find the blockchain wallet address. So that's the blockchain wallet address. It also comes attached with a unique deposit address for the token. All right, guys, so that's basically how it works. It's the same thing if you want to use Bitcoin, you could just simply search for BTC and Bitcoin would show up. Click on Bitcoin. Once it opens, you may need to select the network like the Lightning or the BEP20 or the native Bitcoin network, which is this, and a deposit address is provided. Here, you do not have a blockchain wallet address. All right, guys, so that's how it works.